Yeah, so 2010 started the agency scratch organically. We grew for about 9, 10 years, and then we joined the Advantage Group right after, shortly after. I think our ninth year is when we joined the Advantage Group. I think anyone that's been in the insurance industry in this region knows of the Advantage Group, the reputation, kind of what they do in this area and in this industry. But a good friend of mine, John Moore, who was a longstanding member of the Advantage Group, really kind of helped me understand the formation and the internal workings of the Advantage Group, and that's when I decided to see if I could become a member. The growth that we had the last 2 to 3 years before we ended up leaving the Advantage Group because we were part of an acquisition has 100% to do with the relationships we created while I was with the Advantage Group. The relationships that I created with all the other members, our executive director at the time, and then the relationships we created with the carriers because we were part of the Advantage Group. We It wasn't just about um, us agency owners collectively, working together for contingencies. It was about marketing and networking and so much more that other groups didn't provide. When we looked at the Advantage Group, I love the fact that we actually met once a month and talked about not only issues from a staffing standpoint, where carriers and contingencies were at, but also operationally. You would share what worked within your office and what didn't work. What I gained from those meetings, we ultimately used in our agency, which helped us grow. And of course, that helped our valuation when we sold. So I think the brain power, the brain share around the room when you're meeting on a regular basis is incredible. Absolutely would recommend Advantage Group if you're a young, growth-minded agency. And down the line, if passing it on to your family or your kids is what you want to do, I think Advantage Group would be an amazing choice. Or like us, it made sense for us to be part of an acquisition, and Advantage Group had a tremendous, huge part of you know of our growth.